your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign and the aircraft has come to a complete stop outside the terminal building. If your mobile phone is within reach, you may now switch off flight mode. However, your seatbelt must remain fastened. At this stage, we will use the forward and rear doors to disembark. Please remember that smoking and vaping are not permitted on the tarmac if you are leaving us by the rear doors. It's been a pleasure having you on board with us today. Enjoy your time here in Auckland.
Cabin crew, disarm doors.